It's important to remember that your startup business entity is a creature of statute and came into existence only because of and only at the time of the filing of your entity's charter. Thus, at its core, your startup entity is a total intangible. As you go through the 7 major startup lifecycle events, your intangible entity proceeds to enter into various agreements, which are also intangibles, with or otherwise regarding founders, employees and consultants, vendors and customers, interest holders, incentive agreements with employees and consultants, and investment agreements with financiers. Thus, your company's entire infrastructure is comprised basically of intangibles on top of intangibles. The way that the terms of all of these intangible agreements relate to one another and affect anything and everything that the startup company will ever want to do is analogous to how your body's DNA affects your body and effectively constitutes your startup's DNA, and it's every bit as important as it sounds. That's why we spend so much effort to make the Startup Legal series of documented legal solutions easy to understand. These documents are not rocket science. What makes them difficult to understand sometimes is when they're not drafted in a way to be easily understood by the client. You shouldn't have to be a lawyer to understand the documents your lawyer prepares.